Good morning, Bill 457 here, day 2 of my hip surgery. I'll be going to physical therapy today, and they'll give the final okay of my discharge. So, find out if I'll be in here another day or not. Depends how well I do down there. My leg is not burning right now. That just brings back memories getting woken up at 5 in the morning for your vital signs, and the guy came in and drew blood, I think 5 in the morning, and 6 in the morning I got my meds, and then the other lady came in and took my vitals. So boy, that brings back memories. But anyway, she didn't restrict my legs that much. Like, I don't even think I could roll on my side. See, I can't cross the one leg over the other. That's no when you get hip replacement, or pivot your body, or go on a 90-degree bend. Because if I mess this up and if the hip will come out of place, I'd have to go back and get it put back into place, and I don't want that. So it's gonna be a fun recovery for this one. But my color is coming back. It's one reason I did the video. I took an iron pill, so I guess that helped. Yeah, thanks for all the likes and all the caring and compliments I got and all that. I appreciate that. We got a good community here to help and all that. The only coin I got here is my good luck silver eagle, and it's way on the other side of the room. I could show you that, but that's about it. But that's the least of my worries right now. Coins will be there. YouTube will be there. Your health and everything else is more important. So I'll keep you posted, and have a good day, and happy stacking, collecting, and everything else. Later.